welcome back to my channel. This is Nana Food and Fashion. This is where we make delicious meals and we do a little bit of sewing and it's for everything with fashion. So today what we are doing is my lovely and my nice and delicious fried potatoes. I normally do this for the kids and it's really nice. You can snack on it. And so let's get started. I have these potatoes here. I have really cut them into I think that you can really cut them any size that you prefer. This is how I've cut them, or if you want to make them quite small, you can also do that. And I have some spices that I'm going to add because I am the spice queen. I love spice, a lot of spice and stuff. It makes it much more delicious. So I have some garlic granules, I have some hot paprika, and I have some ginger powder, I have some white pepper, some bay leaves, some salt, and I have a little bit of rosemary that I am going to use as well. So yeah, so this is what we're going to use for this recipe. All right guys, so first of all I have some water on fire and it's boiling, as you can see here. Okay, so I am going to add some spices to it before I'm going to blanch the potatoes, but before that I want to add a bit of spice. Okay, first of all I add salt. Okay, and I add a bit of onion granules, and I add some ginger powder, and I add some that's white pepper. And then my favorite, I add some paprika, just a bit more of paprika. I think what you need to do is to just add the ingredients or the spices that you prefer. Okay, so I'm adding a bit of, just about 2 leaves of bay leaves. Okay, so I'll let it boil for just about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the potatoes. Right guys, so it's been boiling for about 2 minutes. I'm going to just put in my potatoes. And I'll let it boil for about 5 minutes. And just to see whether it's a bit tender, not really hard, but a bit tender, then we can just fry that. Right guys, so we're checking that our potatoes is ready. So we just pick up one. If you see that it's getting, that is better. It's not really hard, it's a bit soft, not that soft that is cooked, so it's really perfect. So I'll take them out. Take them out and then make sure I dry them before I fry them. Right guys, as you can see here, I've put them on this mesh so that I want it to dry. Okay, so I'll just wait a little bit for it to dry nicely, and then I will cook it afterwards. Just want to fry it afterwards. Okay guys, our oil is hot, and what I do normally, I'll put some onion in and some rosemary, just to give it a little bit of fragrance. Okay, so I just need to add you just have to be careful. You can use a ladder to do it, but I like doing it quicker like that. So as you can see, it's bubbling away and it will be very crispy. Right guys, our potatoes is really getting very crispy, and I just wait for about 5 minutes to take it off, and it's lovely golden. Then I'll just take them out of the oil. Right guys, as you can see, our potatoes is really crisp and golden, so I'm just taking them out of the oil now. Smells really good, very nice color. So you have to try this, guys. You don't have to have a plain potatoes. Make sure at least you put some spice into it, and it tastes really good. Have to try this recipe. You can have this with anything that you prefer. You know, you can have potatoes with anything, any sauce or any dip that you prefer. Right guys, as you can see, look at the potatoes. It's really crispy. Okay, I normally have this with some ketchup, or you can have it with any dip that you prefer. My kids do like mayonnaise. Okay, so you can have it any dip, but it is really crispy, as you can see here. If you can hear that, that's really crispy. Okay, so if you really want a crispy potatoes, you can just follow this recipe, and it smells really good. Really smells good. So please like this video and put on your post notifications if you subscribe to it, so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified of that. Just try this recipe and you will love it. This is Nana's Food and Fashion. God bless you. Bye.